Hello and welcome, my students. This is Dr. Srivastava, still discussing the features of population with you. Okay, we had talked about the concept of population, how it is constituted, and how it lives, how it survives, and how it is connected with a species, and how it is a part of a specific geographical area, and how it reproduces sexually to have free flow of genes or free exchange of genes. So, this is the primary thing about, or the central theme about population we have discussed about. And now we have to discuss the features of population or characteristics of population and some interesting facts about population. Actually, the population itself is a very interesting thing or interesting phenomena in ecology. It has a special attributes. Without any attribute or qualities or functions, a population will have no meaning in any ecosystem or ecological sense. It will lose its sense if it doesn't have a specific features which is different from all other entities equivalent to the population itself. So while we are saying about that there are some features about population, these features include functional, that means abstract, and physical as well. The functions may be physical or abstract. That means either they are functioning or they are doing something, producing something which is workable in a valid ecosystem. So when a population is there in an ecosystem or a specific geographical area, it is having some good quantity of identical people or identical individuals. So whenever there is population, there are some specific functions, there are some specific characteristics which are scientifically known as ecological attributes of population. So while discussing the attributes, we should first come to the density. As we have seen in science that density is the something, it is the amount of something or number of something present in a unit space. This space may be either area or linear space, or it is cubical, that means three-dimensional space. A population may be three-dimensional, it may be two-dimensional, or like that. So whenever there is population, it has two subtractive things. First, it is a space, and then it has individuals. There is a space and individuals. That means there are a group of people or group of like entities which are living or residing in a specific geographical area. So if there is an area and a good number of people, what will happen? We can attribute some space to each and every individual which he or she requires in the terms of space or volume. It may be area as well. Suppose there is a space of 10 hectares. There is a space of 10 hectares. Hectares means 100 meter into 100 meter equal to 10,000 square meters. 10,000 square meters are 1 hectare. And there is a group of 1,000 deers in that space. 10,000 square meter is the area of the space which may be bestowed in a forest or some mountainous place or some other area. And there are 1,000 deers residing in that space. 1,000 deers are residing, that doesn't mean that only deers are there. But the fact is that we are counting only the deer population. That is why we are saying that we are counting the deer population, we are talking about deer only. So this is 1000, which is the number of deer, and 10,000 is the number of square meter area. So while finding out density, what we have to do, then we have to count the number and the area and divide the area by the number of the individuals. So this is 10,000 is divided by 1000. 10,000 is the area and 1000 is the population. So 10,000 while divided by 1000 becomes 10 square meter. So each individual deer on an average will require 10 square meter, or it is occupying 10 square meters. So this is very simple mode of calculation of a population density. In 10 square meters there is one deer. So this is very simple calculation. We can find out how much space or volume is needed. If we count about insect population in the sky or in air, then it is the space or habitat is the three-dimensional thing. Then it becomes three-dimensional, and the insect will have to be calculated per volume per individual which is being needed. So the space may be two-dimensional or three-dimensional. So we shall interact to you in another video. Till then, have a good time. Okay, this is YouTube channel Baaton Baaton Mein. If you like the video, you please give your comments in the comment section, and if you are willing to see any special item, or you do not understand things, you can mention that you haven't understood and you need further elaboration. That will be done, and I would like to see your comments. Please give maximum of comments. My students, I am not personally before you. I am contacting you through my camera. That is the need of time, and you please urge what you need to see, and you please advise me if are there any corrections should be made in my this small interaction with you. Thank you.